Open your copy. Write down today's heading revision. We are doing revision of chapter number 5, division. So question is, you have to find the question with remainder. This means in this question if you will divide आपके पास you will left with remainder. Okay, so you have to find question and as well as remainder. So start dividing. Yes, Arush.
मैम आपका बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है।
क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है मीन्स वो इट इज ब्लर और व्हाट? ब्लर है?
यस मैम, ब्लर दिख रहा है। यस मैम। मैम और आपका नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ भी लो है।
अच्छा, ओके, सो वेट, what we can do is just wait for the network. और कुछ नहीं कर सकते। Question number 1 is find the question with remainder. Number 1, 6743 divided by 4. 6743 divided by 4. Start your video and rename yourself those who have joined class with another name. Start your video. And Dakshita, what are you doing? Where is your copy and pen? Have you started writing? Start writing. Yes, Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya.
मैम मेरी ना समीक्षा लेके गई है कॉपी, मैथ्स की कॉपी। मैम उसकी कॉपी कंप्लीट नहीं है तो।
So Samiksha, why you have not returned to her?
मैम मेरा कंप्लीट होने वाला है, बस आखिरी चैप्टर का एक क्वेश्चन, एक एक्सरसाइज बची है, फिर मैं अभी मैम खेलने जाऊंगी ना तब दे दूंगी उसे।
So now Bhavya's copy will also remain incomplete because today's work where she will write. That's why every time Samiksha I told you कि write with me in class only. तो आपकी कॉपी कंप्लीट भी रहेगी।
Okay, ma'am.
Are you writing now? Where is your copy and pen?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Show me your copy and pen. Samiksha, show me your copy and pen. Otherwise, I have to. Question number 1. Arush, you are telling answer of which question? Remainder is 75. ओके दक्षिता बताओ फर्स्ट का आंसर क्या आया?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I am solving.
Do it fast. Have you solved question number 1? Raghav,
Karo solve.
tell me answer. First का question क्या है? What is quotient and what is remainder? Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, Karo solve.
कर रहे हो? Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
It's division by single digit. Division of 4 digit by single digit. You should not take so much of time. इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए बेटा सॉल्व करने के लिए.
Ma'am, 1 second बस.
हाँ दक्षिता.
Ma'am, reminder is 3. Question is 1685.
Yes, correct. 1685. Six down, 4 6 down, 24. This 30. Then 4 8 32. Minus 4 minus 2 is 2. This 3 will come here. 4 5 20. So our quotient is 1685 and remainder is 3. Correct. Now next question. Question number 2. Ratha, have you solved? Next question, question number 2. Ratha? Okay, yes, Gaurav. Have you solved?
मैम मेरा हो गया चारों.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर बताओ. What is question?
मैम रिमाइंडर है 1 और मैम क्वेश्चन है 43065.
Answer of which one? Third का कि second का?
मैम सेकंड का.
Second का कैसे आ सकता है 4?
मैम 4365. मैम 4365 और रिमाइंडर 1.
No, wrong. फिर से चेक करो.
यस मैम.
So how will we take 8 here? यहाँ पे तो जब 7 दिया है, first digit is 7. So how will we take 2 4s are 8?
मैं उसको ए समझ लिया था.
8. You are telling answer of question number 3.
अब मैं बोलूं?
Answer of question number 2.
नहीं नो मैम गलत. मैं 3 का बोल दिया था. मैम 2 का है 3842 और रिमाइंडर है 0.
Remainder 0.
यस मैम 2 का 0 होगा. मैम तो वो तो सही है ना रिमाइंडर.
Where you have solved, start your video fast. अभी तो you have solved in calculator, I know. So answer is 2 3s are 6 minus 1. This 6 will come here. 2 8s are 16. 8 will come here. 2 4s are 8 minus 0. This 5 will come here. 2 2s are 4 minus 5 minus 4 1. So quotient is 3 8. Quotient is 3842 and remainder is 1. Now answer of second. So many hand raised. Yes, Bhavya.
का आंसर है 436, क्वोशिएंट है एंड मैम रिमाइंडर 1 है।
Quotient is 436 or 4365.
मैम 430, नो यस मैम 436।
Okay, let's see. 2 4s are 8 0. This 7 will come here. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. This 3 will come here. Then 2 3 1 12. 3 minus 2 1. This 1 will also come here, na? Bhavya?
यस मैम।
This 1 will also
मैम
हाँ.
मैम आई हैवंट सीन 1।
You have?
मैम आई हैवंट सीन।
Oh, you haven't seen. You have written wrong question.
मेरे पास है।
Answer?
आगम?
So 11 minus 1. So question is 4365. 4365 and remainder is 1. This is correct answer. Bhavya, correct your answer. Yes, Deshna, tell me answer of fourth.
मैम 4 का आंसर मैम मैं 4 नहीं क्यों, मैं थर्ड और 2 की और फर्स्ट की हूँ।
Okay, solve fourth one also.
ओके मैम।
Yes, Molly. Wait a minute. हाँ.
Ma'am, I have got answer.
हाँ. Tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, remainder 18 है.
आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 4?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am,
Molly, tell me already. First, what I will do? 7.
yes, ma'am.
Tell me the steps. How we divide? कैसे divide करूँगी मैं? आप बताओ, मैं करते जाऊँगी. 7.
Ma'am, 8 के नीचे 7 आएगा.
So I will take 7 1s are 7 or 7 2s are.
7 1s are.
ठीक. 7 1s are 7. Then उसके बाद क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am, 3 को नीचे लाएंगे.
Subtract नहीं करेंगे. 8 minus 7.
8 minus 7.
First we will subtract now. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then this will come down. Now we will divide this 30 by 7. So 30
No, ma'am.
7 के टेबल में नहीं आता. 7 2s are 4. So 7 1s are 7. है ना?
Yes.
7 1s are 7. Now 13 minus 7 कितना होता है? आंसर बताओ Molly. 13 minus 7 how much?
Ma'am, 13 minus 7 is 6.
6, correct. And this 6 will also come down. Now this 66 you have to divide 66 by 7.
No, ma'am.
नहीं?
Ma'am,
तो किसे डिवाइड करेंगे? किसे डिवाइड करेंगे?
मैम 66 नहीं होगा तो 63 से 7 को करेंगे।
How much the 63? 7. How much?
यस मैम।
How much the 63? 7. How much the 63? 9 जा. 7 9 जा 63. Minus 6 minus 3 is 3 and 6 minus 6 0. This 0 will come now. अब 40 आता है 7 के टेबल में नहीं आता. So what we will take?
मैम 28।
How much जा?
4 जा
7 4 जा 28. Now 30 minus 28 कितना बचा?
30 minus 20। मैम 1 minute।
Back counting.
यस मैम।
Back counting.
यस मैम।
30 के बाद 28 कब आता है? 30 29 28 after 2 digit.
5 6 7 8 9 10। मैम 10।
How 10? 30 minus 28 ये 0 carry over लेगा 3 से, so 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2 and this 3 will become 2 because this 3 has given 1 carry over to 0. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Our answer is 2. It comes up 2. Question is 1194 and remainder is 2. Only subtraction. भूल गए?
नो मैम।
Then doing silly mistakes. Okay, now write down next question. Question number 5. 348 divided by 12. Question number 6. 4850 divided by 11. 759 divided by 15. And question number 8 is 108. Lower down your hand. Lower down your hand, beta. Giving 5 minutes. Solve and then then raise your hand. Very good. Today is full attendance. All participant, all students have joined the class. Very good. Daily you should join the class. Molly. Only I think Priyansh is not there. Yes, Arush. Yes, Arush.
मैम आंसर 25th का
फिफ्थ का आंसर क्या है?
29.
Guys, nine. Correct. So question is 29. Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, the answer of 6 says question is 437 and the question reminder is 8.
Yes, correct. What is question 400?
437.
Yes, correct. 430. Good.
Okay.
Forza 44 minus 8 minus 4 is 4. This one will come down. Again, we will take 3 because Forza is 44 greater than this number. So we will take 3 33 minus. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 3, 0. This 5 will come here. We can't take 8 जा 88 बड़ा हो जाएगा, so we will take 11 7 जा 77 minus 5 minus 7 means this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8 and 7 minus 7 0. So question here is 437 and remainder is 8. Correct. Check your answers. With me, check your answers. If your answer is correct, then give a right. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, can I see the answer of
No.
7?
No, wait. Nishchay will tell.
Okay.
Let others also
Yes.
try. Yes, Nishchay.
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am. Ma'am, number.
Tell answer of 7th one.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, do it. Giving a minute. करो जल्दी.
Yes, ma'am.
नीचे आके मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनाई दिया।
Okay,
मेरा फोन ला दे क्यों?
निश्चय फिनिश हो जाएगा तो जल्दी बताओ. Answer giving a minute. 759 divided by 15. Dishna, you tell me answer of question number 8. 8 का आंसर बताना. अभी I am asking answer of 7. Nishchay will tell. Nishchay done. Yes, surely your answer is correct. But let Nishchay try. Me, everyone has given answer, only Nishchay has not given till yet. So वो बताएगा, फिर मैं किसी और से पूछूंगी. Yes, yes, Bhavya, your answer is also correct. Drop your answers. Those who have solved question number 7 and 8, they can drop their answer in chat box. हाँ निश्चय, done? बताओ.
Ma'am, 50 is remainder. Ma'am, 50 is question, 9 is remainder.
Yes, correct. So 15 5 is 75. So 50 zeros are 0. So question is
Ma'am, I can tell ma'am, 10th answer.
no. Nahin. Answer of 10. I will ask from Dhanvi. Dhanvi? Dhanvi, unmute yourself. Tell me answer of question number 8.
मैं उसका अभी बच्ची हूँ.
करो साथ में.
बता.
Tell me कैसे start करेंगे? 1089 divided by 10. So सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगी? What should I do first? 10.
10 ones are 10.
10 ones are 10. Correct. Then this 8 will come down. So next step. Next step क्या करेंगे? We will take 10. Zeros are 0 because we can't divide 8 by 10. So sign will come down. Now 10 8s are 80 minus 9 minus 0 is 9 and 8 minus 8 0. So remainder is 9. Quotient is 108. 108 is quotient and remainder is 9. ठीक है? Done? Yes, Arush?
मैम मैंने आंसर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया था.
हाँ, मैंने देख लिया. लास्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर सभी ने दिया है बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इजी है ना. टेबल ऑफ 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Very easy for everyone. Okay. So now 7 minutes left. Let's solve. Yes, above done.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम वो मैसेज आया था मैम, इसके मैम स्पोर्ट्स का है या नहीं है?